Sonet comes with dual trim concept. The sportier GT line with red accents and premium tech line with silver highlights. The exterior of the Sonet is built like a beast. The side is dynamic. The rear is sporty and playful. It has a unique design appeal that catches every eye on the road. The elegant front profile has a captivating facade with Kia signature tiger nose grille, symbolizing majestic beauty. The meticulously designed radiator chrome grille with diamond knurling pattern and heartbeat LED DRL and a touch of impeccability to the design. Crown jewel LED headlamps and the turbo-shaped skid plates render a sporty appearance. The projector fog lamps improve safety and add elegance to the car. The R16 crystal-cut alloy wheels with red accents on black wheel caps and the red front calipers have a striking contemporary presence, impart an aggressive stance, while the plush chrome door handles along with belt-line chrome deliver a style statement. The floating roof rails are sheer head turners. The shark fin antenna gives the Sonet a distinctive, solid look from side profile. Sonet's LED tail lamps with Kia's signature heartbeat design commands attention on the road. The unique reflector garnish that connects the LED tail lamps makes Sonet look stunning from behind. The diffuser fin skid plates with red inserts in GT line version and the dual muffler bumper design further enhances the sportiness of the impactful rear design. The wildly stylish exterior of the Sonet is perfectly complemented by the high-tech and futuristic interiors. The inside of the car is both sophisticated and engaging. Kia Sonet is equipped with state-of-the-art smart technology features. The segment best in 10.25-inch HD touchscreen navigation offers inbuilt live traffic information to help you find the best route. The infotainment system is loaded to the brink with features like Bluetooth multi-connection, driving rear-view monitor, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Passengers on board Sonet get a front row of a concert feel, thanks to the state-of-the-art premium 7-speaker Bose sound system. The LED sound mood lights can change color based on the music, giving the cabin a club feel. The wireless smartphone charging with cooling function makes the charging experience fiddle-free. To offer you a connected driving experience, Kia Sonet comes with segment-best UO connected car technology. The UO app is essentially an extension of your car. You can access an abundance of relevant information through UO.
Hello Kia, open window.
Hello Kia is a wake-up command, an AI-controlled virtual assistant that uses voice commands to answer queries or delegate requests. The advanced UO connected car system comes with segment-leading features like empty remote engine start, OTA map updates, UO-controlled air purifier, and many more features. What's more, it's free for 3 years. The 4.2-inch color instrument cluster shows all the important information with minimum driver distraction. With safety in mind, the tire pressure monitoring system warns customers to avoid unnecessary hiccups while on the go. The seats, the crash pad, and the doors come in multiple colors and designs, making the Sonet more captivating than ever. The D-cut steering wheel enhances the sporty feel for the driver. Cruise control system makes driving easier and more enjoyable. The sporty alloy pedals in GT line makes the interior sportier and stylish. The ventilated front seats offer additional comfort and makes the drive as easy as a breeze. While the leatherette sport seats and wrap door trim adds to the richness of interiors. The auto anti-glare mirrors with UO controls not only prevents reflection, improving rear mirrors visibility, but also gives convenient access to UO controls. The front and rear USB charging as standard adds to the convenience. Sonet offers fully automatic air conditioner that controls the cabin climate with utmost convenience. The eco coating keeps the car cabin odor free. Rear AC vents prove that we are thoughtful about the comfort of rear seat passengers as well. The Smart Pure Air Purifier with virus protection keeps the cabin air clean and fresh. Its N29 filter and UVC light kills more than 99% of the virus and bacteria in the air passing through air purifier. The added fragrance is just a bonus that improves the ambience further. The electric sunroof adds a dash of razzmatazz along with airiness. When it comes to smart storage, nothing beats Sonet. From the dual seat back pockets, rear armed cup holders, a mobile holder to umbrella holder, it gives you ample space to keep everything for everyone. The huge segment best 392-litre boot space offers ample space. The Sonet's power is derived from multiple technological improvements that gives excellent performance with fuel efficiency. The 1-litre turbo GDI, Smart Stream 1.2-litre and 1.5-litre diesel engine expands the horizon of choices. The Smart Stream 6iMT with 1-litre turbo GDI, a first for Kia in India, is super convenient, easy and fun to drive. The segment first diesel 680 offers a convenient yet robust powertrain option to the consumers. The automatic options are further enhanced by Smart Stream 7 DCT. Sonet comes with 3 drive modes and 3 traction modes that charge the car performance to your choice. The aerodynamic design in the Sonet enhances its stability, giving it better fuel efficiency. A very high ground clearance makes even the toughest of roads accessible for Sonet. In comparison to other cars in this segment, the Sonet raises the bar pretty high when it comes to safety. Hill Start Assist Control, Anti-Lock Braking System, Electronic Stability Control, Brake Assist and Vehicle Stability Management keeps you safe. While passive safety constitutes of 6 airbags, ISO fix to keep you and your family safe. The Sonet structure with more than 2/3 of high-strength steel and 54 meters of length of adhesive provides a robust structural safety to the car. Additionally, the front and rear sensors make parking hassle-free. Sonet is available in 8 snazzy body colors and 3 cool dual tones. To make Sonet even more impeccable for India, 6 enhancements have been specifically taken care of: fuel efficiency, cooling of air conditioning, durability and loudness of horn, brake judder removal, durability of clutch, and superior noise reduction of suspensions. Kia is set to pull out all the stops with Sonet. It steals the show with its brazen good looks and simple yet stunning functionality. The word on the street is Kia Sonet is an wild species. Kia Sonet, wild by design.